We will talk about relationships in Microsoft Access. Relations between tables or relationships. Here are 3 tables. EMP for employees. There are code, name, and birth date. Department and job. And there is the department table. There are code and the department's names. And there are the jobs. As we see, each table is separate and not connected. Then if we need to make a form or report, we will need relations between these tables. Start to make relations. Press on Database Tools. Then Relationships. Then Show Table. Press on the first table to add it. Then the second and third tables. Press Add, then Close. There is an EMP department field in the EMP table, and the department ID field in the department table. Drag department ID to the EMP department. It will create the relation between them. The enforce means that must existing data in the field that related to the other. Now we won't check it, press Create. Doing the same between job ID and EMP position. There is the job ID field in the first table, and the EMP position field in the EMP table. The relation between them is one to many, which means, this job assigning to many employees. And the same in department table means, one department includes many employees. Save and close. And to see the impact of what we did, when pressing on department table, we see a plus sign. Expanding it will display the related fields in EMP table. Inserting a new record in the employees table. Inserting department ID and job ID. We can make it as a list to choose from, we will explain. Expanding the department table will display the recorded employees in EMP table. In EMP table, it accepts removing the ID of department and job from the record. Resulting from unchanged decking the enforce in the relationships. So, if we display the department table, those employees won't exist. But if we want to enforce the user to enter the ID of department or job, we should check the enforce in the relationships. And the cascade to affect the related fields on update or delete. Then in EMP table, we must enter the ID of department and job, or it will display an error. Now, these employees will exist and related to their department and job tables. Now, explaining how to make lists of IDs to help in recording. In EMP table, at EMP department field, look up combo box, row source type, table query. Row source, choose department table, EMP ID and EMP name. Save and close. When working in EMP table, it will pop up a list for the IDs. We'll stop here for today, and stay tuned for upcoming videos. If you like this video, click like, share and subscribe to get the new videos. And visit us at FAIRS Solution. Thank you and have a nice day.